What's up, guys? Welcome to your 5th tutorial in the Finishing Touches series for my Bring Back, again with me, Travis. And what we're going to do in this tutorial is basically get our application on the marketplace, and it's pretty simple. Basically, the SDK has had a lot of revisions where you don't have to work with command prompt like you guys might be seeing if you're searching on Google. And I'll just show you the quick way to do this. First, I want you guys to open your browser and go to market.android.com/publish. Let me make sure that works. And basically this is where you're going to be able to put your application on the marketplace. You guys will have to log in or have a Gmail account and sign up as a developer, which costs 25 bucks. Pretty cheap compared to Apple, which is like $100 a year, I think. This is only a one-time fee of 25 bucks. And then you guys go to upload application right here. It says upload an APK file, and basically we haven't created one yet. It's really simple, no worries. All we're going to do is right click, go to Android tools down here, and then export signed application. Now you just export your application, so we're going to hit next, and now it says key store password. When you guys are going to be doing revisions, you're going to go to used existing key store and enter your password. So we're going to create a key store right now because we don't have one, but make sure you remember what your password is going to be. So we're going to say new key store, and then we're going to hit browse. And I like to generally create a new folder within my documents just for my key store and all that good stuff. So let's see here. I go to documents, create key store here. Actually, we're going to save it as basics. Hit save, and then we have to create a password. I'm just going to say bacon. Again, make sure it's something you guys remember. It's too short, so bacon1 for this. Hit next. Then it's going to be your alias name, password. I'm also going to assign this as bacon1 because what you're creating right now is basically our creation key. As you can see here, it's basically the key because we have a key store and a key. Then what we're going to say is again bacon1. This can be a new password, but it's nice to keep both your passwords the same just for later sake. And so we're going to say validity is 1,000 years. I believe that's the max you can go. And then you also have to put like a name. So we're going to say my bring back or whatever you guys want to use. Let's see if this is max. Yeah, the people in the year 3000 are still going to be rocking our application out. So we're going to say its validity is 1,000 years. Hit next, and just say where you want your APK to be stored. So we're going to store it here. Hit save, and finish. And there we go. We set up our APK. Now all we have to do is upload it. So we're going to say choose file, and then the basics APK, open. And as you can see, it needs 2 screenshots at least, and they have to follow these dimension sizes. I've kind of created a few screenshots already, so I'm just going to upload 2 of those. They're really crappy for the most part, but still going to upload them just so we can go through the process here. So you choose your file. Again, it has to follow the dimensions. Oh, and after you chose your APK, you need to hit upload as well, and it's going to upload that for you. And after you hit the upload button, it kind of shows you that this application needs 3 permissions that will warn the users about, and 1 feature used for Android marketing filter. Whatever, that's cool. You guys can check that out, touch screen, whatever. Then we need to choose our files, as I was trying to do earlier. Open, and again it has to be a PNG file or JPEG with no alpha. And there we go, and we have to have at least 2, so we're going to upload another one. Choose file, open that as well. As you can see there, I didn't really scale down the image, so they're pretty crappy. And then we also have to have a high resolution icon, so that has to be 512 by 512. So you guys want to create that in like Paint or whatever. And where's my logo one? Yeah, I believe that's it. And it has to be under 1024 kilobytes. So So upload that, and that's basically all you guys need to have. The rest of these things are optional. If you guys have promotional stuff going on, you can upload that as well. Then we just have to give it a title, so we're going to say my bring back the basics. So then you can give it a description. I just said Android development tutorial series, the final product or final result. And if you guys do updates, you can add revisions as well. Again, you guys want to know where your APK is, and you also want to remember your password for revisions as well. So there you go. And then also you pick whether it's an application or a game. We're going to say application, select category, education, and as you can see here, if you guys want copy protection, it adds a little bit to the memory, but it is a little bit safer. I don't really care, so I'm going to turn that off. And then the maturity rating, we're going to say everyone. Hopefully no one gets offended by our application here. And then all locations, and you guys have, and lastly you guys have like website. So I'm going to say mybringback.com and Travis at mybringback.com. Basically, people will have access to your information, your website, your email, and your phone number. If you guys want to put your phone number on there, we're going to accept the terms and then hit publish. And I guess you need to have HTTP // publish. And there we go. We're on the marketplace. Now the only other thing that you guys might have trouble with is if you try to download your application. If you guys been kind of checking it on your phone as you go when you've been developing, you guys are going to have to delete basically the application that's on your phone right now before you can download it from the marketplace, because otherwise you're going to get an error. So just make sure you delete whatever you've been working with in Eclipse, and then you can download it from the marketplace. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. It's pretty simple. It's not as complicated as before where you guys needed the command prompt and all that stuff. So I guess I'll see you guys later.